Welcome back, everyone. Let's start this practice by sitting on your mat with your legs crossed, your hands gently pressing on your knees or thighs. Your back is straight, your shoulders and neck relaxed. The muscles of your face are relaxed. Closing your eyes and just begin to bring your awareness to your breath, observing the pattern of your breathing without changing anything. Just gently look at how you're taking the breath in and how you're exhaling out. Observe your body moving with your breath. During the busy day, we tend to forget to bring our awareness to our breath and bringing ourselves to the present moment. So let's take a moment here to come back to your breath. Taking a deep inhale in and a deep exhale out. Taking a deep inhale in and exhale out. Remain with your breath and observe how your breathing is getting calmer and deeper. How your breath is flowing easily and freely into your body. And start by observing how you're feeling today, how you're physically feeling in your body. Is there any tension or stiffness or maybe any pain somewhere? Start to listen to your body. And become aware of anything that you're feeling today physically. And now slowly shift your attention to how you're feeling emotionally. Do you have any stress or tension somewhere? just observe whatever you're feeling today, whatever emotions inside you, without adding any judgments. Just allow this emotion or feeling to be in your heart, to be in your body, that it is completely okay, and that you're completely safe here to express and feel. You don't need to judge yourself for the way you feel. You are fine and protected in this moment, in this space. So allow yourself to feel and to be here exactly as you are right now. Take one last inhale in and exhale out. Slowly, you may open your eyes. Let's start today to add a few stretches at the back, so in or fourth position. And while you exhale, you will round your back and look down, inhaling, arch your back, looking up. Exhale, round your back, completely looking down. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Feeling a nice stretch in the whole spinal area. Now come back to neutral position. And with the inhale, raise your left leg up. So your left leg is straight and strong, lifted. Taking an inhale in and exhale, slowly release. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Inhaling, right leg lifted. Your right leg is strong and straight. You're looking up, back straight. Inhale and exhale, release. Let's do that now with a slight variation. Inhale, lift your left leg up, and at the same time lift your right arm up, creating a one straight line with your arms, with your legs, strengthening your core. And exhale, bring your arms and legs back down. Now let's go on the other side. Inhaling, lift your right leg up, and at the same time your left arm up. Taking a deep inhale in, exhale out, challenging your balance, and come back to neutral. Now you will bring both of the hands a little bit in front, tuck your toes, and lift yourself up to Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. So stretch your legs, you can bend your knees one by one, back straight, stretch your arms, and really feel this nice lengthening. And slowly with the exhale, you will bring both of your legs at the front, and inhale, bring both of the arms up toward the sky. Exhale, hands at the heart center. Now bringing both of the arms by the sides. Inhale, you will bring the arms up, and at the same time bend your knees. So make sure that your knees is not going further away from your toes. Creating a straight line with the back. Don't arch your back too much. And slowly come back. Hands at the heart center. Catch your breath. Take a breath in and a breath out. And we will repeat this posture. So bend your knees, lower your lower body and hips. And now this time we will twist to the left side by bringing the right elbow to your left knee. Making sure that your back is straight. Open your chest, relax your shoulders. And coming back to the center, inhale, arms up, coming back up, And exhale, hands down by the side. We will do the same thing again on the other side. Catch your breath. Hands at the heart center. And inhale, bend your knees. And now twist to the other side, to the right side, by bringing the left elbow to your right knee. And twist as much as you can, looking to your right side. Keeping the back straight. Lower your hips as much as you can. And inhale, arms up, coming back up. Exhale, release your hand on the side. Catch your breath here, stand tall in Tadasana. Now we will do another balancing posture. So you bring your right ankle on top of your left knee. And with the inhale, you will bend your left knee, bringing your arms up above your head. And take a deep inhale. Exhale, strengthening the whole lower body here and the upper body at the same time. Your left leg is strong. Exhale, come back to the center, release the posture. Let's do the same thing now on the other side. Now bring the left ankle on top of your right knee. Bend the right knee. And inhaling, bringing both of the arms up. Challenging the balance. Really fix at one point in front of you. Focus. And exhale, release your hands, release the posture, stand in Tadasana and catch your breath. Inhaling, bringing both of the arms up, arch your back. And exhale, complete forward bend, bringing your arms down. Bend both of your knees, relax here. And slowly come in seated position on the mat. Come to the side of your body. And lie down on your back. Now bring your heels closer to your hips. And with the inhale, lift your hips up. So use your arm to ground yourself on the floor, and at the same time your lower body is strong and lifted up. Remain for a breath here and exhale, release. Now bring your right ankle on top of your left knee. And grab your left knee and bring it closer to your chest, feeling a nice stretch on the side of your right thigh and in the lower body. After doing these asanas, it is very important to stretch your lower body and to release any tension. Release. Release your feet to the ground. And let's stretch on the other side. So bring your left ankle on top of the right knee. Grab the right knee with both of the hands and bring it as close as you can. Taking a breath in here and breath out to release any tension. And slowly release both of your feet down to the floor. Now we will do the bridge pose one more again. So bringing the arms on the side, and with the inhale, lift your hips up. So your chin is gently tucked on your chest. Your back is straight, and really feel the strength in your glutes and the lower body. And exhale, slowly release your hips to the ground. Catch your breath. Come back to your breath. And inhale, again lift it up and exhale down. Now inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Doing this a few more times at your own rhythm. Feeling this really strengthening the lower body, the glutes, the legs, And you can slowly release, catch your breath here. Relax for a moment. And now grab your heels with your hands and lengthen your legs to the side. So this is called a happy baby posture. Really feeling the nice stretch in the inner thighs, the back of the legs. Stretching it here completely. You can close your eyes and breathing in into this area of the body, the whole lower body, to release any stiffness and tension away. Taking one more breath in and exhale, release. Now strengthen both of the legs up and feel the whole stretch at the back of the legs, the entire area this time. You can close your eyes. If you would like, you can also bend your knees if that's more comfortable. But the most important here is really to feel the stretch at the back of the leg. It should feel really good and nice. And bring both of your hands up above your head, and slowly with the exhale, slowly release your legs down to the mat. Bringing your hands on the side of your body, and let's relax here in Shavasana. Your feet are slightly away from each other. Relax your shoulder, relax your back. Relax your upper body. Relax your lower body. And drop yourself completely to the floor, releasing every muscles and everything that you no longer need today down towards the ground. Now you may stay here for a little longer. Otherwise, you can slowly bend your knees by closing your eyes, shift to the side of your body, and slowly come back in any seated position on your mat. Bringing both of your hearts, joining the palms against each other at the heart center, and bow down to yourself. Bringing gratitude to your health, to your body, and bringing gratitude to all teachers who transmitted this art and science of yoga. Bow down to the floor. And slowly coming back up and open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you soon.